So you're wanting to know more about this app that'll actually pay you $600 for free. So you may be thinking to yourself, okay, what kind of scam is this? Well, I want to share with you in this video this particular app that'll actually pay you up to $600 simply by doing nothing. And in addition to sharing with you about that app, I'm also going to share with you two other apps to where you can just add them on your phone, do nothing, and you can start to earn. Now make sure that you do your due diligence on anything that I mentioned inside of this video. Make sure that you go to the websites, research, and make sure that it's a good fit for you before you get started. And as an added bonus to help you with your research, at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you 3 websites that you can check out that will give you full reviews of each of the apps that I'm covering in this video. So that way you can make sure that it's something that you want to do and that you can go ahead and get started with. So make sure you stay into the end of the video. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content. Let me share with you what these apps are, and then also I'll share with you the app that will actually make you pay you $600 simply by doing nothing. So let's dive into the content. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So the first app that I want to share with you is called Money SMS. It is a free Android app that will allow you to make money automatically online simply by receiving test SMS to your phones generated by the system and its customers. Yes, this is an app that's available for the Android phone, but again, make sure you stay into the end of the video because the last app that I'm going to share with you is available for both Android and iOS. Now, with this particular app, Money SMS, all you need to do is just run the app on your phone and connect to the internet. Now, all you will have to do is you just have to wait for a test SMS to send to your phone. And then by you doing that, you will get paid automatically for each test SMS that you receive. Now, once you receive these SMS to your phone, you don't have to do anything. The system is just actually verifying to see if you actually receive the text. And if you do, those SMS will be actually sent back to the system, forwarded back to the system, and you will get paid for every one that actually lands in your phone. So that is all you have to do. All you have to do is just run the app on your phone, and again, you will receive test SMS to your phone. You don't have to reply or do anything. As long as they are landing in your SMS or your text messages, you will receive some money for it. Now, you will get paid 2 cents for each of these test SMS that you receive. Now, what you want to make sure that you do with this app, and then with every other app that I'm going to share with you on this video, is that you want to make sure that the app is continuously working on your phone. On some devices, they will actually close out unused apps. So what you want to make sure that you do, check your phone time to time to make sure that the app is running, so that way you can earn some income. And you also may be asking yourself, is this a scam or are they legit? And they tell you right here on the website that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements, okay? But again, what you want to do is you want to check out this website, and again, the additional websites that I'm going to share with you towards the end of the video that's going to help you to do your due diligence before you get started. Also, what you want to do is you want to scroll back to the top of the website. You want to click on FAQ. And you want to read the frequently asked questions so that way you can familiarize yourself more so with this actual website. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. Now, the next website is called Cash Magnet App. Now, you'll get paid to your Android phone with this app, and they'll pay you for every minute that you have the actual app on your phone. And again, you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do is put the app on your phone, and that is it. And they clearly state that right here on the actual website. Now, they claim to have the largest payouts because this particular website unites all of the best reward programs into one place. And the accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes. So the longer the program is running on your phone, the more money you will receive. And just how I mentioned before in the previous, for the previous app, is that some devices, they actually shut down apps that are unused. So make sure you check your phone from time to time to make sure that the app is continuously running, so that way you can earn. You can redeem points simply through PayPal Cash, through Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and much more. And again, if you scroll down on the website, you can see a list of frequently asked questions here. Definitely go through all these frequently asked questions, see if it's available in your country, see all the extra things that you need to do in order to receive payment from here. And then also what they listed inside of the frequently asked questions is that most of its users can actually earn points to redeem within 2 days. But again, it's all dependent on how much time the app is actually working on your phone. So again, make sure you are checking your phone to ensure the app is continuously working. And the last app that I want to share with you, again, this app works on Android and iOS. Now this app will actually pay you up to $600 for the year by doing nothing. And the only thing you really have to do with this is just listen to music. So the name of this website is called Current.us. Now this app will actually pay you up to $600 for the year to listen to music. So the more music you play, the more you earn. And everyone that signs up can just listen to curated radio stations and earn in-app points. With these points, you can use them for gift cards, physical products, and much more. Now, while you're listening to music, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points while you're listening to music. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to that, so that way you can interact with this app, and that way you can earn more. Again, just like how I mentioned with the other two apps, you want to come to this website, you want to scroll down on the page, you want to go through the frequently asked questions, and then also what you want to do is you want to click on this tab here where it says see more FAQs. And what you want to do here is you want to come through here and see the additional frequently asked questions about this app, so you'll get a better understanding of how you can actually redeem your points, how you'll receive your points, and things like that as well. Now what I want to share with you are 3 bonus sites that will actually help you to do more research on these particular apps before you get started. So the first one that I want to share with you, and every website that I mentioned in this video, I will include a link below in the description below, and you can come and visit these websites so you can start doing your research. So this is a blog called Frugal for Less, and they're going to give you a full review of the Money SMS app. So you can come over here, you can check it out, you can see what some of the reviews that people are saying, and then you can also see the pros and the cons of this particular app. Now the next one right here is called AppSiteMakeMoney.com, and on here is going to be a full review of the Cash Magnet app. You can come over here, you can check it out, you can learn more about it before you get started. And then finally, we're on thesmartwallet.com, and over here they're going to give you a full review of the current app, so that way again you can research, do your due diligence before you get started. But with any of these apps that I had just mentioned in this video, literally you can just put the apps on your phone and you can earn money by doing nothing. So in this video, I not only just showed you one app that actually pay you up to $600, I also showed you 2 other apps that you can put on your phone, let them work, and you don't have to do nothing, and you can earn points in cash. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you go underneath this video, leave a comment below. Also, make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure any of these apps, before you sign up for them, they actually work for you, that they actually work in your countries. And also, go through the bonus sites, check out the reviews before you get started. Now, also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel, as it'll help the channel grow. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.